Howdy. If you've got pool poles like these, you know they never really have a great place to go. Mine were always falling over or laying down somewhere in the yard. So I printed these heavy duty fence hooks out of PETG to finally get everything organized. These are printed in PETG so they can handle the Texas weather and the heat better than standard PLA. And I printed them as a double hook so that I could have both the skimmer and the scrubber all in one place. I printed these on my Bambu Lab A1 using PETG filament. Each one took about 3.5 hours and there were minimal supports needed. I mounted these directly to the fence with machine screws, and I spaced them far enough apart so that the poles will sit securely without sagging. This turned out to be a really simple print, and it solved an annoying problem around the pool. The tools are off the ground, they're easy to grab, and the fence looks nice and clean. Thanks for watching. If you like practical 3D prints and DIY projects like this, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.